This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by registering and equipping your environment. Create your UVA account, confirm email, and pick a memorable username. Then install the language toolchain you use most, for example GCC for C/C++ or Python 3 for scripting. Once done, prepare a lightweight editor and a terminal so you can compile or run code quickly. Make sure to store sample input files next to your source file. This saves time when you test locally before submitting to UVA. Now locate the problem by ID or keyword and read the statement closely. Constraints dictate algorithm choices. You should code the solution locally, keeping I/O and formatting exact. Once written, run the program against provided samples and additional edge cases you create. If results differ, debug with print traces or smaller inputs. Make sure to resolve all warnings and check performance. Optimize if time or memory approaches limits. When output matches exactly, you're ready to submit. You submit by selecting the correct language and uploading your source, then confirm the submission. After a short wait, inspect the judge result. Accepted means done, while wrong answer, time limit exceeded, or runtime error require action. If you get WA, compare outputs and test additional corner cases. If TLE, optimize algorithm or I/O. If run with sanitizing inputs. Once you fix the root cause, resubmit. A key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the failure locally with identical input to iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.